Hi, I'm Tom with the SPB production channel, and in this video I will show you how to attach external reference to your DWG project in CAD Studio. So I have this project with a floor plan, and a contractor who does the electrical part has sent me a file with lights and all the electrical stuff that is related to lights. So he sent me a file. I will open it now. It's this one, so you can see it. And he used an external reference, my floor plan, and he created this lights setup with also the numbers of circuits and also the switches, etc. All that you need to create electrical part of the building. And I would want to see where the lights are located and where the switches are located in my floor plan. So I will actually close this file and I will load that file here into my project as an external reference. And to do that, I will do first some preparation and I will create a layer for the external references. This is a good practice. So I will create a new layer. I will name it XREFs, hit enter, and I will make the layer current. So now if I place external reference in my project, it will be placed on this layer. And now I'm ready to attach the external reference. So I will go to the Insert tab, and here we've got References panel, and I will use this Attach XREF tool. So I will click this button. This opens up File Browser. Well, I will select the DW drawing that my electrician sent me. I will open it, and I know that it should be placed at the 0.00, so I will type in the insertion point will be 0,0, hit enter, and you can see that the lights have been placed in my project and they behave as a one object. If I select it, it's external reference. So you can see that they are placed here, the lights with also the switches and also the numbers of circuits. Now what's really cool is, let's say that I just want to see and work with the lights position and I don't care about the circuit's number. If I go to the draw panel and open the layer manager, you can see these are the layers of my project, and if I scroll down here, you can see that there are layers which have prefix EL lighting, which is the name of the external reference. So these are external reference layers. So I can work with these. And if I don't want to see those numbers, I know they're on this layer, so I will freeze the layer, close it, and you can see now I have got only the lights and not the circuit numbers. So this is pretty cool. And because the whole external reference is placed on the XREF layers, if I would switch to, let's say, 0 layer, and I would actually want to hide temporarily all of the external references, I could freeze this layer, and you can see that now it's not visible in my project, and I could also thaw it. So you can see that you can work with external reference as a standard object on a layer. Now, the big advantage with working with external references is that if my electrician would send me a new version of this project, I would just save the file with the same name and it would automatically load here into my project. So this is pretty neat. Now, I'm using CAD Studio 0.8.6. So this is all the functionality of external references that is in CAD Studio. You can see some other tools here which currently don't work, but they will work in future versions. So you don't have any other management options like releasing the external reference or clipping it. So the only option you would have is to just select and delete it if you want to remove it from your project. But Hopefully these will be added soon. You can support the development of new features of CAD Studio by going to the start page and clicking the donate button, which will lead you to Patreon of Hakan7, who is the main developer of the project, so you can support him here. And CAD Studio is a free open source software, so it's available to everybody on Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Just go to the CAD Studio product page, which is in the description box below, and download your installer. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.